Hello guys, welcome back. If you can recall, in the last video we have seen how to create a list view, how to add the items in the list view statically, and how to add the items in the list view with the help of adapter dynamically. Fine. So today I'm going to take you, let's say if I click on any of the item, I want to do something. So I just gonna show you how you can detect which item has been selected by someone from the list view. Fine. So let's go to the code. So what you need to do for that, you can attach a listener on your list view. List view dot set on item click listener. So here you need to attach a listener. Let me add this listener new on item click listener. So note that this listener belongs to adapter view because list view is already working with the adapter. Fine. So what you can do is once you implement this, you can see on item click is overridden, but this time it is not same like on click listener of button. It is taking different arguments. Fine. So here what you can do is this gonna give you some argument back. This argument is actually going to give you the index of the item selected. So what you can do is from this index you can find out which item has been selected. So let's try with this list view dot get item at position. Okay, so we just want to get the item at position. So if you can see, this method gonna give you object back. So let's try. So the index I will be getting from here as the argument, and you can put it into some variable of string type. As you know, my data is of string type. Okay, so let's say string name is equal to this. So because this gonna give you object back, so you need to cast it. So how do you cast it? If you don't know, just go here and cast to string. So you got your data whatever is selected, and you can display it with the help of toast. Let's create a toast. So I will say you selected and the name that you can get from name variable. That's all. Let's run it and cross check it. Okay, so let's say this is scrollable, that's fine. If I click on 8, see, you selected name 8. If I click on 3, you selected name 3. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. I suggest you to subscribe my channel and like my videos.